Shalom to you all.
So I want to do a fun, silly makeup look today, and I have decided that I am going to try to turn myself into one of my favourite TV show characters, and that is Jim from Friday Night Dinner.
Shalom, shalom. Shalom to you all.
Let's just get straight into it. I don't have a wig, but I'm gonna make my hair look like his as much as possible, so I'm just gonna tie my hair up. Okay, we'll keep it like that for now. Let's begin to contour the face. Okay, I'm gonna grab this colour. Okay, let's contour the nose. Oh my god. I'm going to use some white to highlight and try and emphasise this nose shape even more. I'm really emphasising these contours and highlights because, well, I'm not a man, so... Let's do some facial hair. I've got a stipple sponge right here. Okay, right, let's do his tash. I'm going to use the same sponge, but instead of dabbing, I'm going to be swiping. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. He's got darker hair than me, so I've got this L'Oreal Root Touch-Up. Finishing touch, I've got some glasses. I'm trying to replicate his outfit a little bit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I've had a whale of a time. I can't take myself seriously. If you like my content, please like, please consider subscribing as well because I upload frequently. Bye all! Yes, the power of makeup, Jackie. I think I better be going now. Ooh, something smells nice. I think I have lost it a little bit. Yes, come along, Wilson. I can't do it anymore.